In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on desktop notifications in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll get real-time alerts on your computer whenever new messages arrive, so you don't have to keep checking your inbox. First, open your preferred web browser and go to yahoo.com. Using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari will give you the most reliable notification support. On the Yahoo homepage, look to the top right and select Sign In. Enter your login details and complete any verification prompts if they appear. Once you're signed in, click the mail or envelope icon in the upper right corner to open Yahoo Mail. Inside Yahoo Mail, focus on the right side of the screen and click the settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will slide open. Scroll down within that panel until you see the option labeled More Settings, then click it. This opens the full settings page with a menu on the left. In the left-hand menu, select Notifications. You'll now see the desktop notification controls for Yahoo Mail. Turn on desktop notifications by switching the toggle to on. At this point, your browser may display a small prompt at the top asking whether you want to allow notifications from Yahoo. Choose Allow. That permission is required for notifications to appear on your computer. If you don't see a prompt, your browser may have previously blocked notifications for the site. You can fix that later by checking your browser's site settings for Yahoo and setting notifications to allow. Once the toggle is on, you're all set. Going forward, you'll receive alerts on your desktop when new emails arrive. Keep in mind, most browsers need at least one Yahoo Mail tab open in the background for notifications to work. If you close every Yahoo tab, the alerts will stop until you open Mail again. Also, if your computer is in Do Not Disturb or Focus mode, notifications may be hidden. A few quick tips to make this smoother: make sure your operating system allows your browser to show notifications, since system-level settings can override website preferences. If you use multiple browsers, enable notifications in the one you use most for mail, and if you ever change your mind, you can return to the same notification section and switch the toggle off. That's it. Yahoo Mail desktop notifications are now enabled. You'll stay on top of important emails without constantly refreshing your inbox. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.